What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Mass Up Motors, and this is your boy, Daddy. So, finally, GrimmSpeed has sent me my package. Finally got that fender shroud that I've been waiting, or not fender shroud, Radiator Shroud. Yes, that's what it's called. Finally got it in. We can do a little unboxing, and yeah, we can put this sexy thing in the Subi, and we can see how it looks. Makes it look nice and pretty. Hopefully, everything goes according to plan. I know last time putting the alternator cover wasn't as fun and successful as I wanted it to be, but I am hoping this is more friendlier, whatever. I just hope it's a lot easier to install. Let's see what happens. All right, so this is the best I can possibly do right now. The highest I can put my little tripod at the moment. So we're just gonna cut all this nice tape that GrimmSpeed has provided me. That's fine, that's good. I like tape. I like that they put a lot of tape on this. Wonderful. Oh yes, there it is. Oh yeah. Ooh, warranty. Look at that, signed. They gave me an autograph. I love that. I love having an autograph from GrimmSpeed. And supplied me a wrinkly sticker. I like wrinkly stickers. Great. All right, here we go. Wow. Ooh. Oh, this apparently was freshly powder coated. The reason why it was back ordered. So let me take a good. Yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Fresh. Ooh, look at that freshness. Oh yeah, fresh out the oven. I love it. Looks great. Can't wait to put this in. But I have to pause. Unfortunately, I have to charge this thing. All right. Jesus Christ. Camera's finally charged up, ready to go. Now, I'm very upset. I didn't get brand new hardware for this. Bro, like literally for pairing, they gave me some shiny new hardware and whatnot, but yet they did not give me anything. So now I gotta use my old parts and, oh, no instructions. Yeah, I checked the box over, no instructions. So I'm very hoping, or I am hoping that this will be a very easy install, but I am happy that this is yes, a fresh new piece that was made by GrimmSpeed. I've been waiting literally about, I don't know, a month and a half, almost 2 months to get this part in the mail. But yeah, let's install it and see what happens. All right, so here we are. I just kind of set it down right here. Also, upon further inspection, GrimmSpeed did give me one of these weather strippings. I think it goes there, maybe. I mean, I don't think there's anywhere else it would go. I mean, I feel like if I put it there, I won't get enough airflow. It's the only thing that really makes sense. Yeah, the only thing that really makes sense. I'll just keep that set aside. Anyways, I think it goes. Damn it, do I really have to like go online and look for pictures? Oh, I think we're getting somewhere. Now, I was thinking I might have to bolt them in up here, but these bolts are kind of like permanent. Like they don't come off, so I don't know. Google's my best friend. Let me Google this real quick. All right, so upon further research, it seems that I do have to take out these bolts right here, and it's gonna kind of shimmy in there. So let's get started. Also, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there, the headlight bolts, as well as on that side, those have to get taken out as well. But yeah, let's get to it then. Alright, you guys can't see it, but right now I'm just taking off the 2 headlight bolts. So you have this part, and then in between this portion, I guess that's where it goes. Also, I found out that the gasket does go on this thingy-mabobber. Alright. I can see where this comes into play. It does look pretty ugly without it. I'll give that a little snip when I'm ready. There we go. And yeah, let's put it all back together. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be. You know what? Maybe I should go around here. Maybe that's why they gave me that extra piece before I start cutting things, and then I realized it wasn't supposed to be cut. There we go. I guess that makes sense. I kind of don't like it there. I'll just leave it. Never know. All right, and there you have it, boys and girls. Nice GrimmSpeed Radiator Shroud. I like it, I like it. Anyways, I guess you guys know what time it is. Finally, for a nice B-roll.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't
Alright guys, so there you have it for today. Yeah, so the GrimmSpeed Fender Shroud, Radiator Shroud made this project look mint. I like it, I enjoy it. However, GrimmSpeed, I really wish you guys could like supply some hardware. You know, I don't really like using older hardware, especially if it's like, you know, what if it looked really crusty? I wouldn't really want to use crusty hardware on something nice and new. Perrin hooked it up, you know, they got some nice fittings in there with their logo on it, and it made it look really nice. So GrimmSpeed, you know, hate to say it, but I don't know, maybe you guys should learn something from Perrin. Once again, not sponsored. I don't even think I mentioned it, but definitely not sponsored. I bought this stuff with my own money. If you guys are interested in GrimmSpeed Radiator Shroud, I will put a link in the description down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Oh, definitely hit that like button. Can't forget that. More likes means, I really don't know what it means, but maybe it means more people will see this informative video. I did see like this really cool thing from Perrin. I forgot what it was called. I think it's like a cam. I don't know, it looks pretty dope. I do want to pick one up. I don't know if I want to waste my money on it. Oh, side note, I did buy a cheap welder. I don't know if you guys are interested in trying to, I don't know, maybe people are interested in watching me catch myself on fire, trying to practice my welding games. I do want to build a tube frame for my 2011 WRX and see how that works out. But before I hit that, I need to practice. So let me know. Let me know if you guys want to see me catch on fire, burn myself. I don't know. I've never welded before. And it doesn't help that this is just like a $120 welder. I have no idea what I'm doing. I didn't even buy like biscuits. Biscuits are like these little practice metal sheets. I'm just literally just gonna find random pieces of metal and weld them together and hope for the best. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.